of carrying underslung drop tanks, for example, and the conformal tanks on the Ababil can carry around 10,000 pounds of fuel. The other advantage with conformal tanks is it doesn't reduce the capability of the aircraft because it's actually physically part of the aircraft. Of course. Now here's a very good example of what I was talking about in terms of the fly-by-wire control. The single-seat fighter with the US Airforce as of 2020 dated from 1979, at which point the average jet was 36 years old. This is an enormous aircraft. When it first came into service in the 70s, it fitted my area in the 80s and 90s, it was nicknamed Well, now moving on to the runway down at the right-hand end, this aircraft is not part of the display, but which is heading out on departure back to base. It's Lockheed TB-84 Hercules, better known as the C-130, of the British Air Force, and this is being to drop off equipment for the British Air Force start driven display that they've been later, particularly the Manchester with suspension.